Hello, me lover.
Hi,
What are you doing today?
fixing my watering system.
What's wrong with the watering system?
I got one line that waters about 90% of the plants,
Oh,
and the pressure's too low because there's so many lines off it. So I'm adding this line over here. To my end here. It's gonna water this palm tree, which needs a lot of water. So this is mainly just trees. This line right here, there'll be a few other plants on it. These microtubes are open. There's no drip on them. They're just open. They go into 12-inch stakes to water the roots. It drops the water pressure of that other line too much. It doesn't drip well enough. So I've taken it off and putting it on the tree line. We have some fruit trees, and this will all be the same system for the same type of plants, the trees, and then a drip system for the smaller shrubs and stuff. So yeah, I don't know, it's probably about 50, 60 feet of trench digging, and then I got to work on updating the valves, make sure that they're working correctly, and I'll show you that a little bit later.
whoa, you know it's like over 100 degrees.
Yeah, and then you gotta be careful around these organ pipes that can bite you.
Oh, babe.
So they're kind of fun to look at, but they're pretty
Oh, that's not fun.
pretty dangerous.
Okay, so I'm gonna go get you some water.
All right.
How you doing?
Good. Oh my goodness,
Got
thank
your
you.
water.
So I'm testing my line. I got it connected over there by the orange tree. I ran over here, it connected the microtubing. And then I have a Beehive watering system, which is a Wi-Fi system. It's connected to my phone. So I got different zones, and I selected my fruit tree zones. And I started a test. So the water's coming through the pipe, and there it is, spraying out. So that's good. It's working great. And this is what I mean. There's no dripper.
Mm-hmm.
It just pours into these.
Yeah, for deep water.
For these 12-inch stakes. And
Our drama queens.
and it goes straight to the roots for the queen palm that is right here. They have a difficult time in Arizona, so
Yes, they do.
yeah, I'm wearing out my gloves. And I'll show you the stakes over there. All right. So this is one of the fruit trees in our yard, and I put water stakes down for this, and these are the 12-inch watering stakes. And you're supposed to have them outside the canopy of the tree, so it was inside, and I'm moving it out here. And then I got a 4-pound mallet, and I pounded it in the ground with the end on it. So all right.
Nice. Oh,
Yeah.
there's some dirt come out of there. Huh?
Well, yeah. I put fertilizer in it, so it does have some residual stuff in it. So anyway, the watering line goes in here, cap goes on top.
Nice.
There you go.
Yay! Buried it.
Yep.
It's gonna rain on us.
Get this done before it rains, I hope.
That would be perfect.
Okay.
Look at that.
Nice, I love it.
Whoa! Me too. All right. Racing the rain. Good job, honey. What are you doing now, Mr. Olson?
Well, I just wanted to finish the video, show the irrigation system. It's a smart watering system where it takes the temperature, the sun, the soil, and the slope of the ground, and then it determines how much your plants need for water. Let me show you what it looks like.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the Beehive watering system. It's Wi-Fi, so I can run it from my phone. It's made by Orbit. Now it might look confusing there, but I pull out on my cell phone and I go to the home page here, and that's what it looks like. It says that rain is expected, so it's taking the forecast. And then here's my zones, my front yard, fruit trees, and backyard. And then I can just go to that zone and I can program it with my cell phone and not the wall unit there. So I'm going to test it. I'm going to set my time to test 15 minutes, and I'm going to start it. Okay, now the system's running. This is the valve that is running the fruit trees right here. And it's going through the pipe in the backyard. And let's see how it's working. Okay, so I'm using watering stakes, and this is my micro tubing. It doesn't have a drip head on it. It just goes directly into a 24-inch stake in the ground. And what's important about that is it goes down to the roots, and it gets deep into the soil and feeds the tree where it needs to be fed. And the water's not wasted, it's not sitting on the surface. In Phoenix, we gotta be real concerned about our water usage. And for our trees, this is the best thing to do. So I got pomegranate, this is the lemon lime together. I have a orange tree, a grapefruit tree, another orange tree, and then I ran the line across the yard going all the way to my palm tree, and we'll see how that works. So this palm tree needs a lot of water, a lot like the fruit trees, so I added it to the same line, and now this one's watered with my other trees, which is the right way of doing it. So that pretty much finishes the video. I appreciate you watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and leave comments below. And remember, subscribe, because I'll be putting a lot more home improvement projects. If you see something wrong, fix it.
That's right.